Hi, I'm Nate Dorr. I'm here at the Bemidji skate park with my son Hayden.
Hi.
We're just here to talk about skate park etiquette. When you show up to the park, we're happy to have you for sure. It's a great park in northern Minnesota. But you know, there's some things to watch out for. Take your turn. If you've been going for a while, make sure other people get a chance. Look around before you drop in. You want to pick up your garbage. Pack it in, pack it out, and be respectful of people. If you're an older kid, you maybe want to help out a younger kid, teach them some things, and we're all here to have fun.
I agree with that. I think you should follow some basic skate park etiquette here. Just like wait your turn, look around, make sure people aren't coming at you, so avoid injuries and all that. Probably wear a helmet, stay 6 feet apart.
We're here to thrash it, not trash it, so have fun at Bemidji Skate Park.
We just ask that you follow our social distancing guidelines, so make sure to stay 6 feet apart. Come with your family. It's great to bring out your family. Always make sure to bring water with you. The water is off. So make sure to bring water bottles and anything you need to do to stay out of the sun, so sunscreen and your hand sanitizer. Again, there is no water at the skate park and restrooms are closed. We are working at getting some portables out at the parks, but as of right now, restrooms are closed. So have fun, wear your helmet, and stop out to the skate parks.